Open Capcut and add your clips to the timeline. On the second video, go to Video Effects. In Nightclub, select Shake. Set speed to 20 and intensity to 5. Place it at the beginning. Adjust the length. Now duplicate it and place it on the other clips at the beginning. Next, go to Video Effects. Open and closing. Select Oblique Blur. Adjust the length. Duplicate it and place it on the other clips at the beginning. Now add in animation. Select Rock Vertical. Set duration to 0.3 seconds. Do the same for the other clips. Finally, let's add transitions. Go to Movement, select Tremble Zoom, and apply it to all the clips. So here's the final results. Thanks for watching.